Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 BMW X1. This is the xDrive28 model featuring a fantastic all-wheel drive system, perfect for the wet slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. You can either get these with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And all-wheel drive is probably a little bit more desirable in our wet slippery climate, and it'll do a little bit better in the snow versus just front-wheel drive. This one was a trade-in at the West Hills Auto Group. They will call me. I'm the used car manager here at Infiniti of Tacoma. They'll call me on some trade-ins. I'll look for trade-in values on stuff like this that's a little bit more high-end. They don't usually keep vehicles like this. They're more domestic and lower price point vehicles. We're an Infiniti dealership, so we're more of a luxury franchise, so we do a little bit better with vehicles like this. So I'm happy to get a nice contact to acquire inventory. It's not easy, and trade-ins are probably one of the best sources of used vehicles. And if we can't take enough trade-ins ourselves, I'll be happy to buy someone else's trade. So this is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. It looks like it has a regular service history since new at BMW of Seattle. All that information is in the Carfax report. We do have a complimentary copy. The BMW X1 is a compact luxury crossover with a sporty performance. I happened to actually drive this one from Bremerton to our lot when we purchased it, and I was really impressed. I've driven these, around the town, but I've never gotten a chance to actually get in one, and a car really reveals itself when you get behind the wheel and drive it like for a half hour or an hour. Then you can really get to know the vehicle and how it behaves on the highway in different driving situations, and I was really impressed. Obviously, BMW performance is a hallmark to the BMW brand, whether it's their smallest or biggest vehicles. They try to make them fun to drive, and they definitely achieve that goal. The X1, the steering is really communicative. It's really responsive. It's fun to drive. It's also very peppy. You have a turbocharged four-cylinder engine that makes about 228 horsepower and close to 250 pound-feet of torque, and that's matched to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So those 8 forward gears and all that power, it's really quick, 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds, which I believe is a class-leading performance. That's excellent performance for a vehicle like this, and it's also pretty fuel efficient. You'll get around 22 in the city and the low 30s on the highway. So you have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering, transmission shift points, engine revs. So you have Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. I kind of messed around with all the different driving modes when I was driving it back. Dual zone auto climate control, nice black piano finish. Electronic parking brake. You have an infotainment system with different settings and apps that you can utilize. It also has a parking camera. This one has 27,276 miles at the time of making this video. Really nice contoured leather up steering wheel. Beautiful color combination on black on tan leatherette. Really is a handsome looking vehicle, and even though it's considered compact, space is not too bad. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and I still have plenty of headroom, legroom back here. Definitely 6'2" passengers will be more than happy back here. And also it offers a 40-20-40 split rear seat, split fold down, so that allows you a little bit more options and configurations as far as folding the seats down. Maybe if you have to carry a little bit more cargo, but you only need to give up one seat, you have that option with the 40-20-40 split folding seat, so you can individually fold down each seat, and of course you can fold them all down to maximize cargo space. But cargo space is pretty good. We also have a power rear lift gate, pretty low cargo floor, which is nice about this. It makes it easy to put stuff in and take stuff out. I have a cargo area protector, all-season mats, cargo area cover. Of course, you can remove that and fold down those seats for maximum cargo space. You have a dual exhaust for a little bit more of an aggressive stance. It's been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. We've changed the oil, and all it needs now is a new happy home to go to. Handsome design, definitely follows the design theme we see throughout the BMW product line, which definitely is not a bad thing. And here's a twin power turbo 4-cylinder engine. It's a workhorse engine of the BMW. You can find this in a variety of their products. There's Z4, we've seen this in the 2 Series, the 3 Series, the 4 Series. It's also the base engine in the 5 Series. It's an excellent power plant, very well proven, using a lot of BMW products, and very fuel efficient, and it is definitely an entertaining engine to go with that turbo power. It gives you a nice rush of power in that sweet spot of the throttle. So much fun to drive, and a very easy vehicle to live with on an everyday basis. Performance driving, fun driving dynamics, but also very practical, fuel efficient, and it's luxurious. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.